Good morning and welcome back to Dad Bod Trading. We've had a nice little break since yesterday. I think yesterday, Tuesday of last week. Not yesterday. Um, yeah, we had a break since Tuesday of last week, Wednesday of last week. We went down to Florida for a nice little conference and ended up staying a day longer than what we wanted because of airline stuff that happened, and so here we are. I actually did trade. I didn't trade Tuesday because we got back late. Well, let me think. Yeah, late Monday evening, and then Tuesday it was just the craziness of getting back after being gone, and so I didn't trade Tuesday morning. Yesterday morning, I actually did do some trading, but I didn't live stream. I just wanted to focus on getting back into the groove and so on and so forth. So, but here we are, Thursday, Thursday morning, March 31st, 2022, and the markets have been ripping beautifully. Let's see here. Let's go over to SPY, and I want to show you the last 2 weeks. If you would have bought the dip here, or even, for example, if you would have taken advantage of this W pattern here, not a very well-defined W pattern, but if you would have bought the break of the center of the W here at 430 and got some calls that were a couple weeks out, you'd be up a lot. And I wish something that I'm learning here. I've been focusing on swing trades and swing trading and trying to get better at that. Something that I'm finding is that the same patterns show up on the daily chart as what do in the intraday chart. So like yesterday on SPY, we had a nice head and shoulders here, and sure enough, after the head and shoulders, boom, it turned bearish. So you have a double top here, turned bearish. You have a W pattern here, and it turned bullish. So the nice thing about swing trading, and this is what I'm kind of hoping, is that with the swing trading happening, that's where you determine your levels. Say, okay, my entry's here. I'm going to set an alert at maybe let's say we took this 430 here. I'm going to set an alert to stop out at 425, and then I get an alert on my phone if it goes below that. And then I can take profits at, let's say, the top of this channel. Take some safe profits here. So I set an alert at 440, and boom, I get an alert, and I don't have to watch it, because if I watch it, I get stressed out, and I usually sell too soon or too late or something. But with swing trading, you just don't look at it. That's the whole point. I mean, if an alert goes off, then fine, you deal with it. But so we're actually in a couple swing trades right now. Oh dear. Excuse me. Hindsight, I don't think that yesterday was a great day to get into a swing trade if you're going long anyway, because of all of this. We had some, I think it was housing numbers that came out yesterday, or maybe it was, let me see. Well, again, the president was talking yesterday, and that always crashes the market, so, you know. Um, do, 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 do. Okay, so market's going to open in just a minute here. So, yeah, what I was saying was that, so I got into a swing trade, and on Qualcomm, my entry was 161 on that, and I think that was a good entry. But the problem was it just died the rest of the day, and unfortunately, that just kind of wrecked everything for me. Um, and it went back up, but then it wasn't yesterday. I'm sorry, it was the day before. I was actually up on this position by the end of the day, Tuesday. Um, but then yesterday it just tanked. Um, I actually doubled my position here to lower my cost, and it stopped me out on that second position here. So what I like to do, I'll get an initial position, and if it dips, then I will double the position. I'll get another contract. But with that contract, if I think it's near the low of the day, like it was here, then I will set a stop for just a couple bucks underneath there. So it's basically like very, very low risk, and then I let the original one continue to ride. Um, Unfortunately, this is not working. Um, not working at all. So the contract is good until next week. So it's down enough right now that I'm just going to let it go, and we'll see if we can get back up into this channel. But as of right now, that's not looking all that great. And the reason why I say that is because of this. So we go back over to SPY here, or better yet, the Qs. Oops. And we had a fantastic run here. Whoa, this is getting wacky. Had a fantastic run here for the last 2 weeks, and I think it's time for some pullback. So that's why I'm saying, like, I wish I would have thought about this. I wish I would have gotten into here sooner. And I actually, at the conference, made a fair amount of money trading, swing trading, going long on stuff. But it just, we're due for a pullback, and I think we could get back down to 360 possibly. It just depends on what happens. It depends on what's happening with the war in Ukraine, of course, and all the different economic factors that play into it. So yeah, we'll see what happens here. Again, I should have stopped out yesterday, like at the open, but um, I think that yeah, we'll see. We will see what happens. I'm not quite sure. I don't like. There's something wonky going on with my trading app with the profit and loss, and like I'm $15 down on one position, and it says I'm $24 down on it. So I'm like, okay, what's that all about? Or I purchased a contract for $48, and now that same one is worth 29, and it says that I'm down $85 on that one. So that just doesn't make any sense to me. I'm not sure what the deal is. Um, but yeah, we'll see. So I'm grabbing a couple more contracts on Cisco here, and my risk is the low of yesterday's low right here. So should be pretty clean. Um, if we can kind of get a nice breakout and get back up to 155 or something like that, that'd be awesome. But otherwise, we will just sit here and wait. Well, Tyson, nice. So a bunch of the tech stuff is kind of dying, like Apple is breaking support. Let's see, Tyson here. For some reason, I'm not getting any prices here. Let's try this again. Still no prices. Okay. Let that go.
Oh, they changed the.
Hello? Can you hear me?
They changed the mobile app, so I don't know.
Oh.
There. Now I should be able to hear you.
Okay.
They just changed the mobile app, and so it's weird now.
Oh, okay. So yeah, the market's kind of wonky today.
Yeah.
But when is it not?
True.
Okay, so what is Cisco doing here? we basically have a ton of consolidation on some of the smaller tech names.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do. So we have the our little wedgie pattern here.
Uh-huh.
Looking pretty good. So I want to put here. Anytime I hear Cisco, I think of like the Flash.
Yeah. Crisco from Cisco.
Mm-hmm. All right, so Cisco just broke out of our pattern there, so that's good. Question is, can it get above this level from yesterday? So give it some time and watch it nice and careful like. Yesterday it hit a nice new high, like a multi-week high,
Uh-huh.
and that's when I got into the swing position, was like right around here, in anticipation of it hitting this 57.11, which is an all-time high for it for the last couple months. And so it was just a small position, and so I just added to it in anticipation of it going back up to here. So it's kind of, I'm basically channel trading with, like I said, like a swing trade, just channel trading. It's at the bottom of this channel here, so figured I'd add to my position. So Qualcomm is the one that I'd really like to do something, because it pays really well. Like the options are nice and valuable, and so for me to have doubled up, actually tripled my position here at the bottom, I'm really hoping it can get back up to like 155 here, and then I'll, eliminate all but one of them, and that'll be a really nice little profit. There we go. Yes, 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 yes. That's what we want. That is what we want right there. So yes, very nice. Very nice indeed. So let's take a look at the where the SPY is kind of tickling its range here. So it's still red on the day, and we'll see if if it can hold above VWAP. That would be nice, but it looks like it bumped up against this pre-market low. Again, support, when it's broken, oftentimes becomes resistance. So like if we're wanting to short this, like this would have been a good time when it hits resistance. Or that would have been an aggressive but fairly good bet. If we're feeling like the market's going to just keep on going down, then okay, so we have an alert set here. If it does dip below here, I'm going to, of course, take a look at it, see what's happening. When it hits here, I definitely want to get out. So there's that. What did we hit here? Thereabouts, yeah. Let's do a quick scan here and see what's up. Hey. Why can't I scan? Well, that's weird. Let's try this stock hacker again. Scan query, personal, market cap. Well, let's just do this. Percent gainers. Scan. CLVS. Do. Detach. CLVS. See what's going on with CLVS. Hitting resistance there. to have a minimum of like $15. Let's try that. Man, TD Ameritrade. What's up? Let's see here. There's a little short squeeze going on there. I wonder if I could add, like, okay, fundamental study. We want price performance. Oops. Near high lows. And we're going to try that. And we're going to go to something that has a little bit of volume. What do we have here? CLF. Right, let's see what this does. Near the highs. Okay, okay. So that worked. Nice. This is a scan that I've been wanting to do, that I never actually stopped and did it. So this is going to give us things that are near the all-time high or the all-time low. So that's pretty fantastic. So 5% CCJ. And the reason why I wanted this is so, we're looking at swing trading, right? And a swing trade, you're wanting to either be at the top or the bottom of a channel. So all-time high is oftentimes going to be, at the top of the channel. So, all right, I got to go do something here real quick. I will be right back. So don't go away. And we're back. Sorry about the wait. So, I'm liking how Cisco and Qualcomm are holding up. They're holding up pretty good under the pressure of the SPY and the Qs kind of dying. So, let's see here. Yeah.
My phone is so stupid. It keeps switching to the earpiece on Discord. So I never hear when you come back, or I didn't hear when you came back.
No. So I think I'm gonna probably wrap it up right now. I'm gonna hold these positions. I have some on on my doubled positions here. Uh, I have some tight stops. You know, if it goes down below the low of the day, I'm just gonna get those out for a $2 loss or something like that. So that's the advantage of buying at the bottom of the channel. Qualcomm and Cisco are basically it's the same thing. You know, I doubled up on the lower part of this little channel, and so I'm very happy to just let them sit and work. And if I get stopped out, I don't care. You know, very small loss. I'm kind of tempted to grab a call on Tyson here because it's at a pretty critical level and the calls are not too expensive. So,
Sam said to just do it.
Do it.
Just money.
It's just money. That's right. You can't take it when you go. That's right. So yeah, I think I'm actually going to do that. Delta's not too horrible on it. 92. Yeah, I could get to 92 by the 14th of April. Let's do it. See if we can get a $1 discount here. Send it. Oh, and it's dropping. Nah. We got it. We got it, boys. Oh well. If it drops below this level, then I'll probably sell it, but it's fine.
Yeah.
This is fine.
Okay, well, we're gonna get gas, and we're almost at gas
Okay,
station.
well, I will see you at the job then.
Okay, sounds good.
Bye.
Later, bye.
Alright, so for everybody else that's still hanging around, thanks for joining me on my first day back. And hopefully these swing trades work out okay. We will see. And if not, like I said, I'm not really losing anything on them, so it's pretty sweet. A nice position to be in, I'll say that. So take care, have a fantastic day, and I'm going to go to work, make some real money, and I will be back tomorrow for Fantastic Friday. We will see what happens. So take care, and I'll see you there.